you know your iPhone might be tracking you even when you're not using it? Yes, it can listen to your conversations, collect your data, and even keep records of where you go. Apple says it's for improving your experience, but in reality, your privacy is slowly slipping away. The good news? You can stop all of this right now by changing a few hidden settings that most people don't even know about. Let's go step by step and make your iPhone truly private again. Location tracking, the hidden spy. First, let's stop your iPhone from tracking your every move. 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. 2. Scroll all the way down and tap System Services. Here, you'll see a bunch of options you probably never noticed before. Significant locations. This records every place you visit, your home, your office, even your travel routes. Turn this off immediately. Location-based alerts, location-based suggestions, and location-based ads. These track your position to send personalized alerts and ads. Turn all of them off. iPhone analytics and routing and traffic. Unless you want Apple using your movement data, turn these off too. By doing this, you stop your iPhone from silently logging your real-world movements. Step 2. Siri and microphone listening. Now let's make sure Siri isn't secretly listening. 1. Go to Settings, Siri and search. 2. Turn off these 3 options. Listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri. Allow Siri when locked. When these are on, your phone is always listening for the Hey Siri command, which means the microphone is active even when you're not using it. Turn them off to stop passive listening and save battery life too. Step 3. Analytics and data collection. Next, Apple collects usage data to improve their products, but that also means tracking your phone habits. Here's how to stop it. 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements. 2. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics. Share iCloud Analytics. Improve Siri and dictation. Share with app developers. When you disable these, you prevent Apple and third-party developers from using your iPhone's performance data for analysis. Step 4. Tracking and ad personalization. This one's very important. Apple allows apps to track your activity across other apps and websites. To stop that, 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking. 2. Turn off the toggle that says Allow apps to request to track. This blocks apps like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok from monitoring what you do outside their app. No more targeted ads following you around the internet. Now go to Settings, Apple ID, Media and Purchases, View Account, Personalized Recommendations, and turn that off too. Finally, under Settings, Privacy and Security, Apple Advertising, switch off personalized ads. That stops Apple from building an ad profile based on your usage. Step 5. Safari Privacy Settings. If you browse the web often, make sure Safari isn't tracking you either. 1. Open Settings, Safari. 2. Enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and hide IP address. 3. Also clear your history and website data. This keeps websites from building a digital fingerprint of you. Step 6. Bonus battery and security tip. When you turn off background tracking and analytics, your battery life improves, sometimes up to 20% better. And always keep automatic updates on under Settings, General, Software Update, so your iPhone stays secure against new privacy vulnerabilities. So now your iPhone isn't spying, listening, or tracking you anymore. You've just made your device faster, safer, and more private. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Mendit Tech, and share this video with every iPhone user you know. Comment below. Did you already know your iPhone keeps such detailed tracking data?